So we have everybody leaving us now. We've had a good day here at the car show.
Praise the Lord for that.
So we've got lots of cars. It's later than P76, these are one of them. A very nice car with a 44-gallon drum in the boot. How about that? 44-gallon drum in the boot. Later than P76. Yeah, hard to beat. Well, I think everyone's had a Tirana at one time or the other, haven't they? Of course, the old Holden coupe. Can't beat the coupes. Nothing like a coupe. You win a prize today. Next time. It's always next time.
There, mate.
Yeah. Nice friendly chap. They're all friendly down here. Everyone's happy down here. Some are safe, some are not, but they're still happy. Oh, there's a nice bus there. Oh, not another Leyland P76, mate. Ah, they're so good. 44-gallon drum in the boot. I like that. Look at the size of the boot. One I had was green too. It could be my old one. It was green. I think it might be a bit better, this one. Oh, a Sandman. I've been looking all day for a Sandman. Oh, we got a Sandman. Oh, you can't beat the Sandmans. Never sold that one. There's so many cars. Sandman. Somebody told me they had a Sandman around. Just about all gone now. Not many people left. Oh, what's this one? Oh, one of the big boys. Nothing like a GT Ford, is it? The Ford Boss 335. Big Ford GT. You never know, I could make mistakes. Oh, not the EJ. Here's my EJ, mate. Good on you, mate, you can't beat the EJs. Good on you, boss. 290, good on you, mate. Another winner. Another winner. Another winner. Another happy soul. Fords are well represented today. Plenty of Fords. Can't beat the Fords. Oh, MG. Well, man, MG. MG's a historic. Good car, mate. Happy motoring, mate. I'll stop you my Bobcat. I don't think you do a swap. These people aren't into swapping. Yes. Oh, it comes the MG parade. Look at all the MGs. Seem to like green. A little Ford Escort van. They're getting very rare now. They're very rare, aren't they now, mate? Yeah. How'd you go, mate? Did you win something? No, no prize. Oh, another one. Historic. Yeah, go, mate. Yep. Oh, another one. Plenty of MGs. Oh, and Leyland P76 Club behind that. Oh, we get a lot of Leylands. Good old Leyland P76. Made in Australia. Great car. Great car. Oh, it's a beautiful colour. Good one, mate. Good one. Yeah, mate. Good one. They're all good ones. Oh, who's this now? Not another MG. MG Car Club. Very popular. Yes, sir. Here's another one. I think the guy owned it from you. Did you own it from you, did you? I think he did. Bought it brand new out of the winter bottoms. EJ or EK, what is it? EH, oh it's an EH. Hooray for the EH. Can't beat the EH. Very good car. Nice colour. Nice colour. Very nice colour, that one. And you're not too bad either. Oh, he's got the seat in the back. That's where you want to have a seat. Saw that before. Oh, you can't beat these big American ones. As long as you don't get the blind spot. You don't want to get a blind spot, do you, Wally? So here we have another MG. It's a different model, this one. Hey, mate, that's the way. He owned it from you, I can see that, with his whiskers. You can always tell these old chaps they like to get these early model cars. Why, he's come all the way from York. Good on you, mate, that's the way.
Yeah, brother. Like York?
Yeah, that's the way. Buick 8 cylinders. Plenty of spares there. You're right. Must be the last of the MGs. I'm sure there's not too many more left today. Where's your car, sir?
Like those skinny tyres.
Hey?
Like these skinny tyres.
Oh, yeah. Skinny tyres. Whoa, special. How many cars did you have here today, sir?
I think it's about 1,000.
1,000 cars.
And they were all magnificent.
They were. I couldn't find fault with any of them.
No, mate, I wish I owned 999 of them.
Or just one. One would do,
absolutely.
wouldn't it?
Beautiful,
Yeah.
weren't they? I tell you what, the standout car for me was an old Mercedes, it was 63 Mercedes.
Yeah, I had an interview with him.
Did you?
The coupe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was the one.
The one with the lady. The little lady sitting next to.
I didn't see a lady sitting there.
He had two Mercedes. Two together.
On the other one.
Yeah, it was a coupe. Yeah, the chap from South Africa, from Kenya.
That one?
Yeah, that's the one.
Absolutely beautiful.
Yeah. No, a lady and a guy from South Africa owned that.
Okay.
From Kenya. Yeah, it's on YouTube if you want to watch YouTube tomorrow night or next week.
Give you goosebumps looking at all these cars, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Have a good night, mate.
Yeah, okay. Oh, another one. Oh, another Ford. You can't beat the Fords. You can't beat these good cars. Oh. Oh, we got some rubbish bins now. How about that, eh?
Yeah, they're the twin turbo jobs.
Yeah, yeah. One driver,
You got one on my left called B and the one on the right called A.
Oh, what have we got here? The last of the MGs. Oh, are you the last one? Are you the last MG out?
Could be, yeah.
Yeah, I think you are. Oh, look at it ticking over like a clock.
Last one is.
Look at this thing. Ticking over like a little clock. What, do you tune it all the time, do you?
Be around it for a
Yeah.
couple of years.
Twin SU, carbies? Yeah, twin SUs.
Yeah, big ones too.
Oh, they're big fellas.
Yeah.
Draw plenty of air. So what's your top speed?
Oh, it should be good for 100 at least.
100?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought they'd do a bit more.
No, miles per hour.
Oh, you're in miles. Oh, yes. That's about 200. 180. Oh, okay, mate. Very good. Whoa, listen to this. Putting a power with this one. Have a look at this one. There we go. So that's the end. No more. See you next year. See you next year.